Welcome to Tiles Workshop Creative Experiences. I am Liam, and today we are diving into something really cool. You know that feeling when you are scrolling through your phone and you think, there has got to be something better I could be doing right now? Well, what if I told you there is a craft experience blowing up across America that is getting people to put down their screens and pick up colorful glass tiles instead? We are talking about Turkish mosaic lamp making, and the DIY kits from Tiles Workshop are making it possible for anyone to create a gorgeous handmade lamp right at their kitchen table. Laura, I know you are excited about this one.
Oh, I am so excited about this. Honestly, this is one of those stories that just makes you smile. So, Tiles Workshop is a Dallas based creative events company, and they have been running these incredible Turkish mosaic lamp workshops where you literally build your own lamp from scratch using traditional techniques. And now they have taken that whole studio experience and packaged it into a DIY kit that ships to your door. It is like a workshop in a box. And the timing could not be better because demand for custom and DIY craft kits rose 35% in 2024, according to Business Research Insights. People are craving these hands-on, screen-free social activities.
35%, that is massive. So okay, walk me through this. What do you actually get when you open one of these kits? Because I am imagining someone who has never done any kind of crafting before. Can they really pull this off?
100% yes, that is the beauty of it. Each kit is completely self-contained. You get authentic hand-cut colored glass pieces, a traditional brass frame, specialized indoor adhesive, warm LED lighting, and illustrated step-by-step instructions. Everything you need is right there in the box. You do not need any prior crafting experience. The instructions walk you through the whole process, and by the end of a single session, you have a finished piece of illuminated home decor. It is a real Mediterranean craft tradition brought right to your living room.
I love that. And it is not just about the lamp itself, right? It is about the experience of making it. Tell me about the founder, Matt Yigit. What was his vision behind taking these studio workshops and turning them into something you can do at home?
So, Matt Yigit is the founder of Tiles Workshop, and he put it really beautifully. He said the goal was to capture the spirit of their studio workshops so that the same experience could happen at a kitchen table on a Friday night. Not everyone can attend their in-person Turkish mosaic lamp workshops, but the interest in this cultural art form extends far beyond their physical locations. And here is the part that really got me. He said the real value is in the stories told while the glue dries and the pride of saying, I made this. Is that not just the best way to describe it?
That is amazing. The stories told while the glue dries? I mean, come on, that is poetry right there. So who is actually using these kits? What kinds of gatherings are people putting together with them?
Oh, the range is incredible. You have got couples using them for date nights, which I think is so much better than just watching another movie. Families are doing craft evenings together. Brides are ordering them for bachelorette parties and bridal showers. And here is what surprised me. Corporate event planners and team building coordinators have started bulk ordering them for larger gatherings. Think about it. Instead of another awkward icebreaker, your team is sitting around a table, working with these beautiful, colorful glass tiles, collaborating, talking, and everyone walks away with their own unique lamp. The materials are pre-packaged, so it is completely mess-free, which makes it super easy for any host.
Okay, so it sounds like it is not just fun. There is actually science backing up why these kinds of creative activities are so good for us, right? I saw something about a major study.
Yes. So there was a 2024 study published in Frontiers in Public Health by researchers at Anglia Ruskin University. They analyzed responses from more than 7,000 adults and found that participation in arts and crafting activities positively predicted increased life satisfaction and a stronger sense that life is worthwhile. So this is not just about making something pretty. There are real measurable well-being benefits to sitting down with friends or family and creating something with your hands. That is what makes these kits special. They are not just a product, they are a wellness activity disguised as a craft night.
A wellness activity disguised as a craft night, I love that. Now, Tiles Workshop has been growing fast. Where are they at right now in terms of locations and what is coming up for them?
They are on fire right now. Tiles Workshop currently operates workshops across 10 states, and in April 2026, they are opening permanent studio locations in Dallas and St. Louis. Their workshops have earned recognition from regional tourism organizations, including Visit Plano and Visit Dallas. And get this, the company was named one of the 50 most influential people in events in the US and Canada for 2025. That tells you how seriously the events industry is taking experiential learning and cultural preservation. They have also been featured in Voyage Dallas and The Jeff Crilly Show. Plus, they ship DIY kits nationwide, so even if there is no workshop near you, you can still get the full experience at home.
That is incredible. So whether you want to go to one of their in-person workshops across the country, or you just want to grab a kit and host your own Mosaic lamp night at home, Tiles Workshop has you covered. You can check out their DIY kits and upcoming workshop events at tilesworkshop.com. And if you are planning a date night, a bridal shower, a birthday party, or even a corporate team-building event, this is honestly one of the most unique and memorable options out there. Laura, any final thoughts?
Just that I think this is exactly the kind of thing we need more of. Put down the phone, pick up some glass tiles, and make something beautiful with the people you love. Head to tilesworkshop.com to grab your kit or book a workshop near you. Thanks for listening to Tiles Workshop Creative Experiences, everyone. We will catch you next time.